And the last award under this emergent category goes, let me give a background to the last award. I think I'm giving too much of a background, I'll cut short. 1 minute. You know, the idea is that all the awards, if you look at it, they've all been given to the educational institutions. We wanted to be somebody else also. Not just like that, but somebody else, particularly in the non-teaching sector. It could be NGO sector, it could be corporate sector, but who has done some amount of work. May not be a very great amount of work, but some amount of work in the area of the education. So we did some amount of research, some amount of homework, some references, did some checking, etc., etc. And finally, we are brought down to a particular company called, once again, it is a Pune-based company. I think Pune people are getting too many awards. It's a Pune-based company which is called InnoServe Solutions. Now, these InnoServe Solutions, we gave an award because of a specific reason. InnoServe Solution is a digital marketing company, which is a small startup company which is based in Pune. But we gave this award primarily because of this. I think Rahul will talk a little bit more about it, but primarily because of this. This is called adoption of the social media in academia. It's a research work, which is a very hardcore research work done by a social media marketing company, that how the social media is adapted. Social media marketing is adapted in the academic world. That's the work. I went through the research work. There could be some flaws in the research methodology. We're not going to that because we are not on the academic line talking. But this is a good work done. Let me put it bluntly, this is a very, very good work done. This is a solid work done. This is a huge amount of academic depth, academic hard work which has gone through with a lot of research work. We thought that we will recognize this particular company for doing this particular job. So may I request the InnoServe representative, Mr. Rahul Jain, Nibil is there? Yeah, Nibil and other people to please come and receive this particular award. Last award of the evening, Rahul Jain. Both are the founder, director. It's a very newly startup company in Pune. You want to say something, Rahul? Yeah, please.
Good evening. I may be a bit nervous at the moment, because this is not very often that, we get awards like this. I always feel, I do come to HEF events, for last 5 years now, and I always feel I am a bit out of place, maybe, but I think, we still remain, we keep coming. And the reason, we feel that we should come back here is like, academia is the place to be. Academia is the place, where we can do a lot of work. Why don't we really do something about this industry, which really needs a lot of attention from outside as well. And keeping that in mind, we have been continuously trying to help the business of academia. So this research, adoption of social media in academia, started in 2013, and now 2016 is going to be much larger. We are now setting up a community portal called ASMA, and we are also coming up with measured initiatives like listings and award nights for recognizing the work in the segment of digital marketing for colleges. The whole idea is that how do we really help the the established colleges in the way they can really compete with their peer groups. At the same time, we are trying to create a level play for the ones who are not in the league right now and are doing good work. So we are majorly trying to work with our college or city kind of a philosophy, and are working with many large institutions right now. Fortunately, I see one of our customers, BIMTech, being here today. SIS is always there. Thank you, Dr. Sengupta sir, for all the patronage. And with all the learnings that we have been acquiring, throughout this phase of time, now we have launched a new initiative called Find My Admission. Also, it's going to be one of the disruption for the academic fraternity in a way. It is going to be the only marketplace where admission seeker and the provider will connect. So we are now just gearing up to launch that particular thing, and we hope we'll get all blessings and patronage of all of you here, and many more who are not here. In fact, I've been meeting many people. I know many faces here, and I feel so fortunate being here. Thank you so much, sir, for recognizing us and giving us this forum and opportunity. We look forward to continue our work and journey, and this really motivates us. Thank you.
Okay, we have another 15-20 minutes to go before we close.